Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the 5 best note-taking apps with Stylus for Android. All right, let's begin. The first app is Samsung Notes. It is built for Galaxy devices and works seamlessly with the S Pen. You can handwrite, draw, import PDFs, and even convert handwriting to text, making it a powerful choice. Next is Microsoft OneNote. This app syncs across all platforms and supports stylus input for writing and sketching. With its notebook structure and cloud backup, it is ideal for students and professionals. Another option is Flexel. It is focused on reading and annotating documents. You can highlight, mark PDFs, and organize research, which is useful for academic work. The fourth app is Notewise. It offers smooth stylus performance, voice notes, and handwriting recognition. Its simple interface makes it great for learners and quick note-taking. Finally, there is JNotes. It provides accurate stylus control, customizable pens, and strong organizational tools for structured notes. So these are the 5 best note-taking apps with Stylus for Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.